This one word makes you sound weak in meetings, but a lot of businessmen use it every day. And this word is just. When you say, I'm just asking about, or I'm just checking, I just think maybe, you instantly sound unsure and lower your authority. Instead of saying, I just want to ask you about the report, say, I'd like an update on the report. I just think maybe we should. Say, I recommend we. I'm just following up on this. I'm following up on this. Why this works? You remove one word and people instantly will take you more seriously because you sound more direct, clear, and in control, the qualities which signal leadership in any business culture. Follow for more executive communication tips.